Alright you guys, YCDG here, back with another video. That sounds weird to say because I just changed the name not too long ago, but so we're back with another video and we're gonna go check out motorcycles for my brother. He's has a little bit of money, so we're gonna go to the dealership and check some out. There's like we're gonna look at a Triumph Speed Triple. So he's looking at more of the naked bikes, which is it's a little bit, I feel like they're cheaper for some reason. But and then MT-08 and a few other bikes. So let's go check it out and we'll see if we can get him a bike. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and on the road to 10K, let's get it.
Yes.
Yo, what's going on, everyone? Oh yeah, it feels good. This shit feels good. We're on this FZ09 my brother's thinking about buying. But yeah, I mean, I like it so far. It feels good. Oh yeah, this shit feels fucking good. Oh yeah, this shit feels nice. It sounds good as fuck too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That shit got some. I didn't even fucking. Huh?
Wasn't sticking in any gear?
No, it didn't seem like it sticked in any gear. I think the brakes need rebled a little bit, but
Brakes?
yeah.
That's fine. That's not hard.
No. I can literally do that shit at my house super easy.
Bro, I got a fucking bottle with a hose on it.
How's
That's what I do.